Hi, I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com. If you're in need of an industrial blade that offers strength and superior longevity for the pallet sawing industry, then upgrade to Sawblade.com's Q901 M42 Pallet Dismantler. The Q901 bandsaw blade was specifically designed for the pallet dismantling industry. It features a Veri-tooth design that increases blade life and reduces vibration, meaning that cuts will require less force and grant faster feed rates with minimal kerf loss. It also features an M42 steel alloy tooth providing superior blade longevity and rigidity when ripping through nails, staples, and screws. The Q901 series reduces tooth stripping and snagging during the cutting process, allowing you to spend more time cutting and waste less time changing blades. Sawblade.com has an extensive line of sawing products, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.